Jai Shri Krishna. I am Mitanshi Jadam. I am working here as a PRT teacher. I have been a part of this school last 4 years. When I first joined, it was a new professional journey for me. This school truly feels like a home. I come as a teacher, but also time I found a family. The management and Swamiji always support me, encourage me and believe me every time, every situation. I am especially grateful to our respected principal sir for her constant guidance and support every time, every situation. What makes this school truly special? It is a spiritual foundation and commitment to preserve our value and culture. Here education is not limited in academic but also build a discipline, character and strong moral value to student. I feel blessed and proud to be part of this institution. Thank you. Jai Shri Krishna.